How to transfer money from Chase Bank to Cash App. First, open the Cash App application and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, go to Linked Banks and select Link Debit Card. You can either enter your Chase debit card details or choose the No Card option to link your bank account instead. If you choose to link your bank, select Link Your Bank Account and click Continue. You should see Chase listed at the top, or you can search for it. By selecting Chase, you will be redirected to the official Chase website. After logging in with your Chase account details, your Chase bank account will be linked to Cash App. Once linked, go back to the home screen, tap on the bank icon at the bottom left, and then select Add Cash. You can either choose a pre-selected amount or enter a custom amount by clicking the three dots. Type the amount you want to transfer from Chase Bank to Cash App and click Add. If your Chase account is successfully linked, the money will transfer into your Cash App account. And if you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe.